Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart your HomePod mini device using the Home app on iPhone. So to do this, you'll need to open the app, then select the device you want to restart. So I'm gonna pick that one. Hold your finger onto it, then scroll down. Press Reset HomePod. Restart HomePod. And now in a second it should change its stance to restarting. Now we can close it and actually wait till it changes the stance to normal and the device will be restarted. And our device is restarted right now. It works fine. Hey Siri. As you can see, it works fine. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.